Uline's downtown L-desk with adjustable height return creates ergonomic workspaces in corporate offices, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing with the push of a button. The electric motors adjust the return height from 30 to 47 inches quickly and quietly. You can set up to 3 programmable heights, ensuring consistent comfort throughout the day. Downtown L-desks are available in various sizes and colors. The adjustable height return can be used in the left or right-hand configuration. The stylish 1-inch thick laminate top is scratch-resistant and easy to clean, and features 3 cable grommets to neatly run cords. The steel modesty panels provide privacy and a professional finished look. To use, simply plug the power cord into a standard 120-volt outlet and push and hold the up or down button to manually adjust the desk height. Once at the desired height, press the setting button. Then press one of the preset buttons to save the height setting. The downtown L-desk with adjustable height return will then automatically raise or lower to the saved height when this preset button is pressed. Uline's downtown L-desk with adjustable height return coordinate with Uline's full downtown furniture collection. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.